How to connect Spotify to Discord. So if you want to connect Spotify to your Discord, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Discord. If you have your application, you can go with your application, or if not, you can just simply go with your browser and then log into your Discord on your browser. Once you've logged in, now if you want to connect to your Spotify, then you just need to simply go with your user settings, which will be on the bottom. From your user settings here, you will find an option of connections. Click on connections. From connection, as you can see that you will have the Spotify option right here. In my case, I've already connected my Epic Games or my YouTube. So if you want to go with your Spotify as well, then you need to click on the Spotify section. Once you click on Spotify, it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to just go with agree, which will be on the bottom, and just wait for a few seconds till it connects. And that's it. Your Spotify has been connected to your Discord. Now you can go back, and if you scroll down, then as you can see that you will have your Spotify and it's been connected. If you want to display it on your profile, you can just simply go and enable that option. That's how you can connect your Spotify to your Discord, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.